What's up, my loves? It's late, about 9:46, and I'm hungry. I want me something to eat. My husband made pinto beans and rice. I didn't want that, so I'm gonna make me some. Well, I'm making some, as you can see. Let me show y'all. I'm making some fried rice, and I'm making some shrimp. So this is the fried rice that I'm making. It's the chicken fried rice by P.F. Chang. I mean, it tastes okay. It's not the best. I like homemade fried rice instead, but I mean, it'll do. And let me show y'all what kind of, hold on one second. And this is the egg rolls that I have in the oven by Tai Pei vegetable egg rolls. It says it's in a crispy wrapper with dipping sauce, but I'm going to use my own sweet and sour sauce. So I'm just waiting on my shrimp. Let me turn it up a little bit. Waiting on my shrimp to cook, and I'm going to place it in the fried rice. Fried rice is still cooking. I usually scramble some eggs and put it in here, but I'm not gonna do that today. I'm just gonna eat it like that. Okay, my love, so the food is ready, and I have my pineapple cranberry drink, and I'm ready to eat. All I need is some sweet and sour sauce. So let's see, where is I'm gonna eat some of this sweet and sour. And that's dinner for tonight. I'll see you guys in the morning. Good morning, my love. So right now I am making some scrambled eggs. I scrambled it. I put a little milk in it. I just sprinkled a little bit of this Chihuahua cheese to I put the milk in it to give it some flavor. I'm sorry that the light, let me see if I can turn on the light. Just a little bit of light. I'm sorry that it's dark. I put some salt and pepper in it. And now I'm going to show you the turkey bacon. For those of you all who don't know the turkey bacon that I like, it's from Jennie O. This is the turkey bacon. And I have another one on deck. I haven't tried. I like this. This is the Butterball, all natural. You can put these in omelets. It's just crumbles. I'm about to throw this away, toss this out because it's old. Let's see. Yep, June 17th. The blueberries are already rinsed off, but for those of y'all who are wondering, and these are my eggs, nice and fluffy. And this is my breakfast. Looks yummy, right? It'll look better if it was on a plate, but I don't have to wash no dishes. Okay, so right now I'm sitting at the table. I don't know who this is that I'm watching, but I was just sitting here watching some Sephora hauls and eating my breakfast. I'm gonna eat up and I'll probably come back to you once I'm finished. All right, see ya. Hey, my loves, I stopped at the Dollar Tree. I thought these were pretty cool. Scramble some eggs or mix something in it. I was looking for the mugs, but I don't see them. For those of y'all who like the mason jars, I have them. And They do have these if you want to use it for like coffee. But I want the ones that I had, Mia. You think they have them in another spot? I don't remember what Dollar Tree did I go to. Was I here?
Wait, come here.
I like to get these garbage bags for the bathroom instead of using, if I run out, I usually like to use the Jewels bags instead. But yeah, and then I like to come get the aluminum pans so that I won't have to, I can just put the macaroni. Oh, they have the paper for the, these are cool. They have these. They only come with 4 bags. Really? Okay. Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Brandy Goods, and I'm in the car. I ran to the store. Actually, I wanted to go to the Dollar Tree. Let me roll up the window so you can hear me a little bit. Yeah, I was on my way to the Dollar Tree and I just ran out the house. I know I ain't looking so bad. I have on this little baby doll dress and some little slides, but I ran to the Dollar Tree to pick up some items, and then I stopped at Walmart. Then I found myself stopping at Target for him because he wanted something, a toy or something. And I also stopped at Home Depot. Now I'm on my way home, but I just wanted to touch bases with y'all. I'll share what I picked up. It's not much, but I share what I picked up from those stores once I get home. Okay, so I will see you guys a little bit later. Yes, it's one of those days. You know, I wasn't going too far. I don't even have on any earrings. I hate going places that I don't have earrings on. The flowers are blooming. They look so pretty. Hey guys, welcome back. I'm at home and I am about to share with you all what I picked up at the store. So let me begin because I gotta eat. Okay, I know the lighting is kind of dark because I'm filming on my cell phone, but I just want to share with you all. I picked up some Frosted Flakes from Walmart, some Pop-Tarts. And this was like a run. I wasn't expecting to do some shopping, but I wanted some kind of snacks while I was at the store. I seen this cute little bowl. You can put some like soy sauce or something, you know, you could dip your chicken nuggets or, you know, scramble some eggs or something in this little bowl. I thought this was cute. This is from Better Homes and Garden. They also have the strawberry lemonade. This is from Dole. And I never tried it, but I'm gonna try it. They have these eggs. These are 36 eggs for $2. So I ended up getting these. That was a steal, right? I actually went into Walmart looking for the Barkeeper's Friend, this right here, but I wanted the liquid kind. They didn't have the liquid, but when I went to Target, I seen that they had some. So I mean, I could use this for like the tub, to clean the tub out. I picked up some more Cream of Nature. This is the Exotic Shine color right here. And this is in the shade Intensive Red. I use that for the back of my hair. And this smells really good, you guys. This is from Nivea, but they have the coconut and Monoi oil. This one right here, it smells super good. The coconut. Try it out. Let me know what you think. Y'all, I love Aveeno. It has been my friend. I don't have like the itchy skin. Sometimes my leg will be itching. I'll be scratching and whatnot. Or my arms be itching. I use the Aveeno Moisture. What's the name of it? Moisture. Itch something. I don't know. But I ended up getting this. I've had Aveeno before. And I'm assuming I had eczema or something. When I was younger, I used to get it like on my wrist or like my neck, but not as bad. But I'm gonna try this. This is the Aveeno Creamy Moisturizer. I'm gonna use this. I picked that up, and it says softens dry skin. And I'm assuming maybe I'm just dry, child. And I picked up some Visine for my eyes when they get the red out. I picked up another concealer. This is in Tan from Maybelline. I need some more light. All the lights on? Yeah, I guess so. Okay, and this is some mouthwash by Equate. They had grapes, so I picked up some grapes. I like Rice Krispies, so I got a big box since they was only $3 at Target. And this is the liquid barkeeper that I was telling you guys about. Yeah. I needed some more picture frames, and these are the 8x10 because the picture frames that I have, I don't know what's going on with them breaking up. So I ended up getting these black ones because they were on clearance for, I believe, $7. Yeah, so these are, I'm gonna put that away today. So instead of me buying the set, I picked up some more plates. I didn't want to buy the set. The set was like 50 bucks. And I didn't want the smaller saucers because I have those. I don't want the mugs. I don't want the bowls. So I ended up getting 2 big plates. Like so. I thought these were cute. We have the smaller ones, but I wanted the bigger ones when I want to get greedy. And we need a bigger plate, so yeah, picked up 2 of those. And these are the 5x7 picture frames, so I ended up getting the 8x10 and 2 5x7s. And they were also on clearance. I believe they were like $5. The Dollar Tree, she put everything in bags. I picked up this little cute mug for my husband. He likes to drink his little, I guess, iced coffee. And the mugs that I did have, let me show y'all. Are they in here? I don't know what they did with it. Whatever. But anyway, Amir, is the mugs downstairs? The mugs. Those glass mugs. You sure? Guys, I was looking for these mugs. I was drinking out of it. But these mugs right here, I don't see any more at the Dollar Tree. I wanted 2. So I guess it's a hot commodity, y'all. They took them off. But then I seen these cute bowls, and look at the detail. The little ridges. I thought this was cute for cereal. It has this little marking on here. I'm gonna have to take it off with some remover. But yeah, it was only $1 at the Dollar Tree. And I picked up the patty paper squares. You can use this for, like, if you're baking, chocolate, taffy, candy, cheese. You can use it for everything. I showed you guys I needed some garbage bags. I got some Raisinets. And I'm finally gonna break down and just write stuff down so that I can remember to get, you know, my little to-do list. And some candy, some Sour Patches. So they only had 2 bowls at the Dollar Tree that I went to, but this is really cute. I like that. And I'm trying to change out all the dishes so it can either be white, but I'm either white or clear. And I got another bowl, y'all, because it was $1. And you guys know you could, like, scramble up some eggs or, you know, put something in there, but those bowls were just too cute. And they actually had the whole set, and I see that they carried the whole set on Walmart for $49, so I ain't buying it. But this is another one. These are 2 for the price of 1, and you know you're gonna always need, like, your little aluminum foil pans. Got some Glade snack zipper bags. My son a toothbrush. some gum, double mint. And I bought like 4 of these little blade. I could put one in my locker at work and like one in the bathrooms. So I bought 4. And the name of this one is called Hawaiian Breeze. And I saw this at the Dollar Tree. I'm gonna see how it works. This is from Sassy and Chic and it has a little pump. It's spill-proof pump, extra strength, and this is the acetone. They have the regular, but I wanted to see how the full strength works. I bought some Dasani water. I'm not gonna show y'all that, but my mother did pick up me some of these window planters. You can actually put some, you know, flowers and like hang them outside the window. So that's what we were up to the other day. So I'm gonna put that, probably fill this up with some flowers and whatnot. And hopefully, I don't know if we have the right hooks from Home Depot, but these are the metal brackets. Don't know if they will work for that, but I'll see. I'll probably go online or either ask my husband to order it for us. Or ask my husband. All right, my love, so I'm gonna wash this stuff, put it away, and I will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, you guys have a blessed one. Bye, y'all.